Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Callaway local and long-distance movers near me. Our long-distance relocation service is seamless. We cover this distance of over 50 miles without any hassle to our clients and for us. We can relocate you through this distance because of our excellent working relationship with the authorities in charge of the relocation process. We also have insurance policies in place that will protect our clients' interests during and after the move. So, you can rest assured knowing your belongings are safe with us. We have disciplined and trained movers who will always make you feel comfortable at all times during our collaboration. And this has always kept our customers satisfied and happy with our services. If you need proof, you can check with our previous clients for reviews on our services. We can assure you that these reviews will be to your liking. Our local rates are very affordable. We charge about $30 to $40 per hour, and we can promise you a wonderfully positive experience during our business relations. If you need anything other than these services, you should continue to read for a list of them. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Callaway moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.